Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Experiencing Minecraft's exit code 1 can definitely stop your gaming fun. This message simply means the game crashed unexpectedly, and it's a super common issue for many players. But don't you worry, because in just a few minutes, we'll walk through some simple steps to get you back into your blocky world. We'll cover the most frequent culprits, helping you troubleshoot and fix this error quickly. One of the first places to look for an exit code 1 fix is your Java installation. Minecraft relies heavily on Java, so an outdated or even corrupted version can cause immediate crashes. Make sure you're running the latest recommended Java for your Minecraft version. Sometimes, simply reinstalling Java completely, then giving your Minecraft launcher a fresh restart, can work wonders and get you back in game without a hitch. If you're using mods or resource packs, they're often a prime suspect for exit code 1. An outdated mod, or one that conflicts with another, can easily crash your game. Try launching Minecraft without any mods or resource packs enabled. If it works, then you know the issue lies with one of your add-ons. Systematically reintroduce them, one by one, to identify the specific culprit that's causing the problem. It takes a little patience, but it's worth it. Sometimes, the issue isn't directly with Minecraft, but with your system's hardware. Outdated graphics drivers are a common cause of crashes, as they can prevent the game from rendering correctly. Make sure your graphics drivers are fully updated. Another important factor is RAM. If Minecraft isn't allocated enough memory, especially with mods, it will crash. Head into your Minecraft launcher settings and increase the allocated RAM, giving your game more room to run smoothly. If you're still facing exit code 1, a complete, clean reinstallation of Minecraft can often fix deep-seated file corruption. Always back up your worlds before doing this, of course. Don't forget to check your Minecraft crash logs. They frequently contain specific error messages pointing right to the problem. Finally, the Minecraft community is an amazing resource. Forums and online groups are filled with helpful players ready to offer personalized guidance. Hopefully, you're now back to building and exploring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.